Fae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in for another soap making adventure, and I'm bringing it back with some originals for this month. We're gonna make 2 original soaps because I have a new website and I thought it was time to do some restocks to celebrate that and get these originals on my new website. I am so excited. So we're gonna start off with my Clean Bee soap. So I just went ahead and added in my concoction of locally sourced 100% pure wildflower honey with some goat milk powder, kaolin clay, and colloidal oatmeal. I had to think about it because I don't use that ingredients on all of my soaps, just this one. It's so special. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a little mix to make sure that's incorporated before I add in my lye solution. And oh, I mixed that with a little bit of water to make that a bit of a slurry. So let's go. Like I said, this is one of my original soaps, one of my classics that I make very often and try to keep in stock. And I haven't changed it up too much since I originally made this soap for you guys. I don't know how many years ago. I've kept it a little simpler lately. But I just added in some titanium dioxide dispersed in water, some yellow vibrance into this one. And into the big bowl, I've got my honey blush. So we'll give them a mix. I'm gonna split off some of this. I like to leave a layer at the top of this bar. You'll see what I do here. But I'll mix this in so it's all evenly colored. And then I'll pour some of it off for the top. All right, get on there. So we'll mix these up, starting with the lightest color. And then I'll add in my fragrance, which hasn't changed. It's the blend. It's got like oatmeal, milk, honey, and some almond. I love that almond in there. It reminds me of that Yardley soap, that bar soap that just smells so good. So comforting. It's amazing. All right, let's get these mixed. So at the top of this, I always grab this special bubble wrap that I hold on to because the pattern in it is just so realistic looking to a beehive pattern. And then I've got some oatmeal that I'll sprinkle down the side as well. So here's the honey that I used, and I love it. This is like my new thing. Actually, the new thing is going to this brewery. Bradley and I have been visiting this brewery in, I want to say Whiteford. I get it confused with Whitehall, but it's called Slate Farm Brewery, and they are all about local everything. Local farms, they have local produce, locally sourced ingredients. What is it? We got ice cream there from a local dairy farm that they sell, and it was spiked with like coffee porter, and some pumpkin beer was another one, and it's so good. We love going there on Wednesdays because they do half-price burgers. We get our flights. They have like 30 different kinds of beers there. There's something for everyone. They even have like non-alcoholic or seltzers. We love it, and it's so big and so spacious, and there's so many places to sit, and it's kid-friendly, like indoor, outdoor. It's just great. It's just great. We love it so much. Out of all the breweries around there's like a handful of them around us. This one is our favorite, and we can just kind of like let the kid go, and he throws some rocks and plays in dirt and climbs on hay bales, and we just sit there and relax. There's always other kids there, and I can't wait for the weather to get warmer for him to just like run around and relax. Well, we'll relax. He'll run around. It'll be great. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours. I'll then come back. I'll take this little strip of bubble wrap off. I'll cut it, and then I always put the little like bumblebee hexagonal melt and pour soaps on the front of it. So that's it. Alright, it's time to cut this. So yesterday when I was making this, my stepmother was watching Bash, and I was telling her all about Slate, and she was saying how she wanted to take my dad, and next thing you know, she's like, maybe we'll go tomorrow. Do you guys want to come? I was like, these people are going to know who we are by name soon because we're there so much. But it's a very beautiful day out. Sorry. Trying to make sure I am focused here. It's a very beautiful day out, and I think I want to take advantage of the weather because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. We went and got like 60-degree weathers for a few days, and then I decided it wanted to snow. So we're gonna go take advantage of the weather today. That is the plan. We've been doing some house chores as well. And I think this camera needs to stop focusing on my cutter. I don't know what else to do about that. It gets me all the time. Like, it's just a problem. All right, let's try this. Try this again. I show you the top of this bar. I absolutely love it. But we remulched the chicken run and cleaned out the coop and did a little gardening, and so it's just going to be nice to relax now. Look at that swirl. Those are my favorite. And I might even get some more ice cream. Look at the top. Look at the top. I love that pattern so much, and that color and swirl on the inside, and of course there's all the honey and goodness in these. The final step is to put the embeds on the front. So I have over here, this is oatmeal melt and pour little embeds, and what I'll do is take some melted melt and pour and just stick them on here. And what's nice about these is you can take them off if you want to and use them as like hand soaps or travel soaps, or it's just nice to have the decoration on it. Just a little bonus. If you guys are interested in purchasing these bars, the next shop update will be on the 25th of March. The memory card is full. Didn't realize that was possible. Try this again. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new to the channel and haven't done so already, subscribe. Join me for more fun soap making adventures. Stay tuned after this because I'm going to put those little melt and pour pieces on the front. And questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.